In this video, you'll learn how to create a child category in WordPress posts. To do so, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Hover over Posts and click on Categories. Let's create a parent category here first. Give this category a name over here. Enter the slug, and you can add a category description if needed. Once done, click on Add New Category, and you can see the parent category has been added here. To create a child category, simply name it over here, enter the slug, and you need to select the parent category from here. Once done, click on Add New Category. You can see WP Errors is the child category under Tutorials as a parent. Let's create a new post and see how to select a child category. Give this post a title first. Enter the description over here. Once done, select Categories by moving to Post. And here you can see Categories. You can select the category as per your preference. Select both the child and the parent category. Once done, click on Publish. Now let's view the post from the front. And you can see this is how easy it is to create a child category in WordPress posts. Before leaving, you can also learn how to change page titles in WordPress when using Elementor. I'll link the video in the description below, or you can also click on the eye icon in the top right corner of your screen to view the video. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.